Guys, welcome to my channel. This is my first video, of course. So, in my channel, I talk about forex markets, how to invest in the stock markets, and other online money making things. So, stick with my channel if you want to learn about those. So, let me quickly go through my trade that I took. So, it was on Euro USD, of course. So, I was looking at the 30-minute time frame in the morning, so I saw a inverse head and shoulders right here, and it has rejected multiple times from this yellow area of interest. It doesn't show as much. Let me change colors. So it rejected from this area. That's why I took the trade. And so as you can see, we have a inverted head and shoulder right here, and I entered this trade right after the doji candle formed, and so it created a nice morning star formation, so that confirmed my trade. So but I closed my position halfway into trade at 1-to-1 because I saw this consolidation. So most of the time when these head and shoulder patterns go to the consolidation phase like this, it tends to reverse and go to your entry point. So I just closed my position, but if I kept it, I could have gone to my target of 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. So make sure your stop loss is always below and a little bit below with a little bit breathing room of the area of interest. So the next trade that I'm looking for is, if you go to the daily chart, you can see the Euro USD has broken this daily area of interest right here, and if you just zoom out even more, you can see this area of interest have retested multiple times, right here, and here two times here, and one time here. So this is a strong area of interest. So what I'm looking for is a potential head and shoulders pattern to form here, then continue to the downside. Also we can see the 200-day moving average coming towards the daily area of interest. So I'm just looking for a head and shoulder pattern to form right here. So if you don't have these chart settings, make sure you add them. I'm using the 200-day moving average. So also I just changed the regular color from green, red to blue and gray. As you can see, it just comfortable to the eye also. So this one I also looked at the AUD CHF pair. I was expecting it to come back to this yellow area right here, but it did not come back to this area because on the daily time frame we can see the previous day highs and lows haven't been tested yet. So now it's in the oversold area. If this candlestick rejects from this area, we could take a trade to this yellow area or somehow, but the thing is we would be out of session by that time, so it's not worth it risking on that trade. So mainly Euro USD, but we have upcoming news, as you can see. So we have to be aware of the news and be cautious trading these currency pairs. Also the DXY seem to be getting stronger, but of course you have to look at DXY before entering on currency pairs that has the USD. So if this is euro versus USD, right? So if this USD gets stronger, meaning that the DXY chart goes up, which means the Euro USD chart will go down. So we are waiting for upward movement in this, and first of all we have to wait for downward movement, and then this goes to the daily area of interest, then again upward movement, so this goes downward as we planned. So that's it actually. So oh wait, let me show you the trade that I took, the proof. So I just entered on a trial account, as you can see. I didn't purchase any kind of prop firms. It's on Fundy Pips. So let me show you the trade I took. Okay. So this is the Euro USD one that I took. So these ones are just random trades, that formal trades. Ignore them. Those were small losses, like 10 bucks or so. So I made $100 overall. I risked $100. Make sure you only risk 1% of your account if you are prop trading. I haven't purchased any prop firms yet, so I'm just trying out whether my trading strategy works or my trading framework even works. I recommend you to try this trial account from the Funding Pips. It's free, of course, and you can see whether you could even try, and you could even pass a prop firm challenge, and also it gives nice data about your trading. So it's a very useful tool. So also a quick tip is make sure you use position type size calculator. There is a position size calculator from Baby Pips. Let me show it to you. So as you can see, there is a position size calculator from Baby Pips. So here you choose your pair and your stop loss pips. You can measure your stop loss pips by using this measure tool, and let's go look at the minute time frame. As you can see, you put the tool from here to here. You can see it's 15 pips, 15.1 pips, and also you can see the measured value, we are 15.1. You can enter it here, and also your risk percentage, put 1 or 2% here, then your account balance, of course. Then you can hit calculate and get the standard lot size value that you added to your broker. So I'm using currently using MetaTrader 5. You can use any broker you want. So that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next week or so. So make sure you hit the subscribe button and the like button if you want weekly trading analysis and documentary about how my trading is going. So I'm currently not much in a profitable state. I'm actually in your state, more like a break-even state. So I'm trying to figure out how this thing works and stuff. So in this channel I document how things are going, and my losses, my wins and everything. So make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications. So see you guys. Until then, bye bye.